Track reading in circuit diagram. In this lecture, we are going to understand the track reading in circuit diagram for mobile repairing. Table of content, track reading, instruments and tools, handling of circuit boards, circuit diagram and track search. What is track reading? Circuit track reading or line reading of track is a term used to check and read broken tracks on the green colored printed circuit board of a mobile phone is termed as track reading. It is used to check the error in mobile phones. For track checking, following instruments required: multimeter, cleaning brush, solder iron with stand, solder wire, grinding and scraping tool, PCB stand, thinner or PCB remover, and jumper wire. How to handle circuit boards? Circuit boards are made up of very sensitive components, and handling them carefully. Putting pressure on one of the small components can cause serious damage, while even a small amount of static electricity can completely destroy the board. The best way to prevent the damage to a circuit board is by keeping the possible generation of static electricity to a minimum, discharging any static electricity that has built up, and handling the circuit with care. To understand in a more descriptive way, look at the diagram. Circuit board assemblies must always be handled at properly designated work area. Put on rubber-soled shoes to ground yourself prior to handling a circuit board. This helps prevent a buildup of static electricity that could severely harm the board. Remove anything made up of plastic from the immediate vicinity of the circuit board, as plastic material tend to build up a static charge. Work areas must be kept clean and neat. Tools and instruments must be available ready next to you while repairing it. Components should be handled by the edges when possible. Avoid touching the component's leads. Look at the diagram of circuit carefully. With the help of multimeter, check the track of PCB board of mobile phone. There are different components attached to the multimeter. These are display, red probe, black probe, function and range, switch, common jack. What happens if diagram of a particular model's problem is not available? Here the only option for you will be C, the track through schematic diagram. Let us understand in brief about schematic diagram. A drawing showing all significant components, parts or tasks of a circuit, device, flow, process or project by means of standard symbols. Schematic diagram for a project may also be used for preparing preliminary cost estimates, as it is very difficult to check them unless you have a schematic diagram. You will have to take a little bit of risk while repairing mobile. Anyways, most of the diagram and images are very helpful. Also note that the diagram will solve only hardware faults and not the software related ones. How to search and read tracks on a PCB? Through jumper practice as shown in the image. Now you will have to check these tracks with a multimeter by keeping its setting on continuity. If you get a beep sound, then the track is okay and the problem is somewhere else. You can also trace continuity of track shown in other images also. If you do not get a beep sound, the track is broken. Solder a jumper wire between the 2 points and your problem is solved. Through schematic diagram. A schematic diagram is a diagram which shows entire network of track that runs on a PCB. It will cover tracks of all sections of the circuit, that is power section, sound section, network section and charging section. If you learn how to read and understand these diagrams, you will be able to repair all hardware faults. We can also track check phone through PCB of same mobile phone. Advanced PCB may contain components, capacitor, resistor or active devices. Thank you.